Hey people, Pranksterman here. Another video on the Scorpion. I'm cutting up the wheel plates. I tried to make a chop saw. I failed miserably. Just wouldn't cut straight, so I just put the wheel on the circular saw and cutting it like wood. Let me show you. The only thing I did do was disable the guard. I didn't want to get in the way. And as for the jig, I screwed this is the guide for the metal. Slide the metal up, stops on the screw, and this is for circular saw to go straight. So I'll slide this over. I won't cut one now, it'll throw sparks all over the place, but I'll set it right there and run the saw through. It goes through the crack of the table. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty bright and dark. But the guides just slides through. Keep it straight and you get straight cut. And that's the piece. It's like a square to me. It's not perfect, but good enough. Okay. Alright, I got it all set up. I'm already cutting. I'll set the camera down over there and show you how I do it. I got the sawhorses holding the metal up. Pretty easy. It's going pretty quick too. Let's see if the camera will get it. I don't know. Oh yeah. Don't forget the glasses. One more thing I want to point out is how I got the depth setting. You notice it's on a 45-degree angle when it's hitting the metal. I don't want it hitting straight up as much as possible because it's going to fill this whole thing up with metal sparks and I might melt something since this is a wood saw. And it seems to be cutting better on when it's hitting it at a 45-degree angle. That's what's left of the saw blade. And I got this much left out of a 10-foot piece, and I got 50 pieces out of that blade. So I should have enough blades to finish what I need to do, otherwise I'm cutting them by hand. Okay. Okay, I got all the metal cut. I got 230 pieces. Couple shy of doing the 300 pieces, but this will get my minimum requirement done so I can start working on the next part. One more thing for safety equipment, forgot to mention that. On a dust mask, you see all that metal dust on the table? I was breathing that in. It took me like 2 of the pieces that I ended up cutting through to notice that stuff was building up in my nose. I had to go flush out my nose in the bathrooms, and I had to use a dust mask. So, and that stuff, that's silicone and metal dust. Don't want to get that inside you. Very nasty. And I used up all my cutoff wheels. It's the last one of the 5th one. I gotta cut up more metal, so I'll end up getting more cutoff wheels. Probably a bench grinder to deburr all these. Okay. Okay, I got all the plates cut. Next step is welding them. I already started and made the jig. Basically, I don't know what that came from. But how it works is slide the plates on there. Take the bar goes against the steel rod, center it by here and here, and I can weld it up, and ta-da! It's the main track plate. Now there's going to be a front and a back, since everything's inconsistent. Just make sure the stops, one side is consistent with each track, so I'm sorry, each track plate. That's what this is for. So there's going to be a front and there's going to be a back. But I got one done. That's the first one. First track plate done. Well, the main structure of it anyway. Still got to put the cleats, the bolts, drill the holes, and the guide. But everything's based off of this. So I'll probably be welding all night. Okay. Getting dark out, so won't be able to videotape at night. But you know what I'll be doing all night. So rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, man. Bye.